Welcome to the unboxing of the Kent Elegant Electric Glass Kettle with fast boiling and visible purity. As you can see, it comes in a mid-sized box with the product picture right on top. It has a 1.8 litre capacity and comes with 2000 watts of power. It is made of high borosilicate glass, automatically switches off after boiling. It also has an LED indicator and protects from dry boiling. If we flip this, we can see all the salient features mentioned over here, including the LED indicator, the glass body, a 360-degree cordless rotation. If we flip this further, we can see all the product descriptions mentioned over here, including the month and year of manufacture, the MRP and the customer email ID. So without any further ado, let's open the box. As you can see, the Kent Elegant Electric Glass Kettle comes with an easy-to-use instruction manual with all the instructions mentioned clearly inside, along with the warranty card. Coming to the main unit is made up of borosilicate glass, which has a very smooth finish. The outer body is made up of plastic and is quite firm and sturdy. It doesn't heat up easily. It also comes with an on and off switch right at the side and a push button to open the lid. The upper portion, which is blue in color, gives it a beautiful tinge. If you look carefully inside, it has a heating plate as well as tiny LED lights located all around the base. Now the base itself has got a beautiful silver finish. It's quite shiny. Coming to the bottom is quite light and can easily hold the electric kettle. Coming to the cord is not very long, it's quite a short cord, but it has a three pins which can easily go into any 3-pin socket. So all in all guys, I think this is going to be an excellent addition to your house or to your office. It is quite light and can be carried anywhere. So that's it for the unboxing of the Kent Electric Glass Kettle. Stay tuned for more.